In this exercise, you're going to be examining the relationships between families of quadratics. Now, families of quadratics are basically quadratics that have been multiplied by something. These are all, in fact, basically the identical quadratic, but there's a new common factor. So you'll notice that this quadratic and this quadratic are essentially the same, except that this one has been multiplied by 2. And so when I factor this one, I'm going to type in y equals 2 times, and then I'm going to enter the roots. And in this case, it's looking at the one above it. It's x minus 8 times x plus 2. Now, what I want you to do is, once again, investigate this quadratic and all of its family members. And so there's the first family member, x minus 8 and x minus 2, and I can just see that that quadratic passes through 2 and 8. And if I scroll around and I shrink and I expand, I can see that it has a y-intercept of 16 and it has a minimum value when x is equal to 5. Now, we're going to start to look at family members of this quadratic. And so the first one is 2 times x minus 8 times x minus 2. And so I'm just going to plot that along with the original one. And I'm going to take note of where the roots are, where the y-intercept is, where the minimum is. And also I'm looking for a relationship between the actual roots or zeros of the parabola, the y-intercept, the minimum, and this number right out here. In this case, it's a 2. And so I'm going to notice my y-intercept, and I can squish this down and have a look. And my goodness, I think it's 32.